In this video, I will show you how to enable the Analysis Toolpak for Microsoft Excel. The Analysis Toolpak contains a number of statistical and computational tools for analyzing data, but by default, it's disabled. To enable it, go to the File menu, go to Options, select Add-ins, find Analysis Toolpak. I'm going to select it. Click Go. Do not click OK. Click Go. I am going to select Analysis Toolpak, that first box. I'm going to click OK. When I do that, if you go to the Data menu up top, you will see a button here for data analysis. That didn't used to be there. Click on that button, and you can see a number of tools that are now available to use.